Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to save content from BeReal. You need to actually follow these simple steps. First thing first, make sure that the application is completely up to date. Now you could save an individual BeReal content by going to your memories or a post itself and tapping the add to photos option. So which you could actually find it in the profile section. And now in my case I have none since I've not added any sort of picture, so this following option, the memories option, isn't there. What you need is when you've also added the memories or when you've added a photo, you can see this memories option. All right, so all you have to do is just press on that following option, and then you need to select a particular photo which you actually want to save, and just follow the on-screen prompt, and that way you can save content from BeReal. And to download your entire BeReal data, you need to request a data from BeReal settings, which provides download link of all your photos through they may need to be organized with a scripture, and that is basically how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.